Alright, let's talk about how to extract text after a specific character in Excel. So here we have two sets of sample data. But what we'll notice is that this will say email, colon, and then the person's email. What we want to do is just have the email displayed in this column, so we don't care about this email part. Now we could go in and manually delete this for every single cell here to just keep the email, but there could be a lot of data that we might have, and that's just not very time effective. So what we can do is use a simple formula, selecting this adjacent cell, and we can type equals text after. Then we'll select the cell, we'll hit comma, and then it's going to ask us for our delimiter, which in this case is a colon. So we'll do quote, colon, quote, and hit enter. And what we'll notice is that that will remove the email colon and just leave us with the actual email. And then we can double click this square in the bottom right corner or click and drag that all the way down to have that formula work for each one of these emails. Now you can do the same thing.
I'm here in the Amazon rainforest. No, just kidding. If you made it this far, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much.
And we can do the same thing here with names. Let's say we just wanted the last name to be displayed. We can type text after here, select the cell, comma, but this time our delimiter is going to be the comma, so we'll hit quote, comma, quote, and hit enter. And then we'll notice that the last name will be displayed. Robin, Taylor, Morgan, Riley. And there you have it. That's how you can extract text after a specific character within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.